The surprising benefits of castor oil and how it can change your life. Have you ever heard of castor oil? This ancient vegetable oil has been around for hundreds of years, but did you know it has a multitude of benefits and uses that most people are unaware of? From reducing wrinkles and promoting hair growth, to boosting the immune system and even treating ringworm, castor oil may hold the key to many of your health and wellness needs. But the real question is, what exactly makes castor oil so special? Castor oil is extracted from castor beans and has both medicinal and general uses. As a deep facial cleanser, castor oil has been shown to be effective in removing makeup, reducing acne, and soothing sensitive skin. Unlike other soaps and detergents, castor oil doesn't strip the skin of its good bacteria, making it a gentler option for cleansing. Not only does it cleanse the skin, castor oil also has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that can reduce wrinkles and protect the skin from free radicals. The oleic acid in castor oil serves as a natural moisturizer, further aiding in reducing wrinkles over time. In addition to reducing wrinkles, castor oil is also effective in reducing stretch marks. Massaging the oil into stretch marks can cause the scar tissue to flatten and become softer, providing deep moisturization and helping them fade over time. While the technique works best on stretch marks that are less than 2 years old, it is still worth a try. Castor oil is also believed to promote hair growth. With its fats and other properties, castor oil can treat dry and damaged hair and promote a healthy scalp. By lubricating and moisturizing the hair shaft, it can decrease breakage and result in thicker, shinier, and stronger hair over time. Studies have also found that castor oil can be effective in treating dandruff. If you suffer from arthritis, castor oil may provide relief. With its anti-inflammatory properties, it can alleviate pain in joints and muscles. When used as a massage oil, taking it orally, such as adding it to tea with ginger, is also believed to be effective. For those with acne, castor oil may be the solution you've been searching for. Its anti-inflammatory properties and antimicrobial properties make it an effective treatment for the skin condition. Applying it daily can treat existing acne and prevent new breakouts from forming. Castor oil has also been found to boost the immune system. Researchers believe that it can increase white blood cell count, specifically by increasing lymphocyte production. Lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell that produce antibodies to fight off infections, making the immune system stronger in the process. If you have trouble sleeping, castor oil may be able to help. While more research is needed in this area, some people have reported success in using it to combat insomnia. Rubbing a small amount on the eyelids before bed can promote relaxation and make it easier to fall asleep. Castor oil can also relieve constipation, acting as a natural laxative in the small intestine. Although considered safe in small doses, it's always best to consult with your doctor before using it. Last but not least, castor oil can even be used as a treatment for ringworm, a fungal skin infection. Simply applying the oil directly to the affected area can help to clear up the infection and prevent it from spreading. There you have it, castor oil's hidden benefits and uses. From reducing wrinkles and promoting hair growth, to boosting the immune system and even treating ringworm. It's a versatile vegetable oil with a long history of effectiveness. Just be sure to use it in moderation and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. So with the information provided, will you be incorporating castor oil to improve your health and wellness? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.